Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I decorated our master bedroom, that too in a budget. You can see it is a very small size room, so as we proceed with the video, I'll be sharing 10 pro tips which I think will be very useful for decorating any small space. Also, there is a beautiful giveaway in today's video, so don't forget to watch till the end to know the entry rules. So this is how the room looks as we enter. The only good thing about this room is that we have enough light coming from the door which opens to the backyard. This brings to my first tip, which is to make use of the natural light as much as possible. Try not obstructing the window or door that you have and arrange furniture in a way that you get maximum out of it. The first thing as you enter, you'll see a little spider plant and a diffuser with some oils in the left hand side. So there is visibly a lot of greens in the room and also a painting of mine to go with the room decor. As we move forward, you can see a beautiful macrame which I thought would go really well with the nature vibes in the room. So here is a quick clip to give you an idea of the length and width of the room, and you can see how small this room is. Next we have a small seating area. We have very narrow space as you can see, but that brings me to the next tip, which is to divide your space into areas and make it functional. I placed a small chair here which is foldable with a small area rug that gives an illusion of a bigger space. The sitting area is small but functional and cozy enough to have a good read, using bed as your footstool and a beautiful backyard view. My third tip is to use small area rugs or carpets, like small carpets. They're so suitable for small spaces and they look beautiful, and as I say, they make the space look little bigger than what it is. Next we have another plant obviously, and the side table. The side table is again an old one, bought it secondhand, super cheap from Facebook Marketplace. The colors used in this room are mostly from the same palette, as you can see, either green or blue. It makes a huge difference when it comes to decorating a smaller space. It gives a cleaner and a cohesive look. So definitely choose your colors wisely when you plan. Tip number 4 is to reuse or renovate second-hand furniture or things that you have already lying in your home. We have this second-hand side table. I have reused some glass bottles for flowers and water. I have placed a placemat which makes it easier to clean and a plate to hold small knickknacks. These all things help in maintaining a cleaner space. So another constraint of a small room is storage. So use unused spaces and small old boxes to create storage or organizers. They're functional, gives a cleaner look. For example, these boxes which holds the cables or extra medicines, and the basket which holds the magazines. These all things are super functional and practical, and they also hide the messy cables behind. Moving forward to the most important part of a bedroom, that is the bed and the bedding. We were waiting for the perfect bed. We wanted something not bulky but which goes with the aesthetics of the room, but definitely on budget. Furnitures here can be very expensive, plus the delivery charges. Finally we got a very good deal from Amazon, and the wait was actually worth. Again, I try to keep the colors of the linen pretty much same as your room, but I also put some pop cushions here and there, and also some flowers to break the monotony of the same color. When it comes to bed linens, comfort and quality always come first. I try to use mostly good quality fitted sheets. They really cut down the time that we need to tidy up the bed. For duvet cover, I am using the beautiful blue printed cover from Kayori. Thank you so much, Kayori, for sponsoring this part of today's video. These duvet covers are so beautiful, and they come in a bag of their own, which is made of their own fabric. This particular duvet cover is made of 100% organic cotton satin with the finest yarns for an extra smooth and soft feeling. The cover is produced according to the strict standards of the GOTS quality mark. In fact, all their products qualify for this trademark. This ensures that the duvet covers or any other linens that you buy from Kayori contains no switchable substances and nasty chemicals. Kayori is one of the newest brands for bed linen, home fragrance, beach and bath linens. They have a very strong focus on sustainability, and all their products, like I said, have the GOTA certificate, which means it's made from organic cotton. So you can be completely sure that it's 100% organic, and even the chemicals used in the colors are organic. They also have the Fair Trade certificate, which means that all their products are produced in a very good working environment. So Kayori is the only brand in the world with GOTAs and Fair Trade products, which made me so eager to work with them. They also support several good causes every year. I was so impressed with the quality of their products, the story behind their brand, and the values they hold. So do check out their website. I'll be linking that in the description box. Also, Kayori is willing to give this duvet cover to one of you people, so don't forget to participate in today's giveaway. I'll be listing out the rules at the end of this video and also in the description box. They have really a nice collection of duvet covers, especially the ones with the floral designs. They also have an upcoming collection of spring and summer 2020. They also have fitted sheets, beach towels, throws, cushions, and of course home fragrance. Here is how the bed looks now. The duvet cover comes in different sizes with matching pillows. I have also used different covers for my smaller pillows, and to blend, I have used an extra layer of the same bedsheet matching to the bed. A nice and easy way to layer your patterns. Next is another side table with basics like table lamp, a zipper, also a small box to hold rings, etc. So basically a place for everything. Same with the drawers. I have tissues, medicines, cuticle oil, etc. But everything in boxes, and everything has a place of its own. The bottom shelf is usually kept empty. All I have is a body lotion, which is very handy to keep in the bedside table, and a pillow mist. This kind of empty space is so useful to keep a book that you might be reading, or to keep the laptop which you might be working on at night. On this side of the bed, I have some photo frames to balance the height on both sides. A pro tip is to buy very lightweight frames like this. These are so handy considering you don't need drilling or anything like that. Just simple small pins are good enough, and they don't do any damage to your walls. I added some photo prints and they were good to go. There is also one artificial hanging plant on the side of the bed. I'm not a fan of artificial plant, but I was not sure if the hook I used was good enough to hold a real plant. Next to the side table, I have an empty basket. I can tell you how useful that is to keep the bedroom neat. You can throw in the extra pillows and cushions, or maybe your robe, etc. So your things will not be lying around here and there. This carpet here again is an old one that I had in my home in Bangalore. It creates a nice cozy place to sit in the morning and enjoy the backyard view. And next to that, we have a built-in wardrobe. So that completes the tour of my master bedroom. I hope you enjoyed it. To participate in the giveaway, here are the rules that you need to keep in mind. There are only 2 rules that you need to follow. First, you need to follow Instagram account of kayori.nl, and second, you need to follow Instagram account of the home decor feed. The home decor feed is my home decor account where I share all my home related photos and everything. And kayori.nl is the official Instagram account of Kayori. Also, definitely brownie points for those who will be subscribed to my channel BeingDeb. Don't forget to let us know that you participated by commenting either here or on my Instagram post. The contest will be open till the end of February, and the winner will be declared on 1st March on the Instagram stories of the home decor feed and kayori.nl. If you enjoy watching this kind of video, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.